In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel subscriptions on Google VO3. Whether you're tightening your budget or simply cutting down on unused subscriptions, this process is straightforward once you know where to look. In the next few minutes, I'll guide you step by step to ensure a seamless experience. First, you'll want to head over to Google Gemini. This is the platform where you can manage all your subscriptions connected to Google VO3. Open your preferred web browser and type the URL for Google Gemini in the address bar. Then hit enter. Once the page loads, you'll need to log into your account. Make sure you're using the account associated with the subscriptions you're aiming to cancel. If you have multiple Google accounts, double check that you're logged into the correct one to avoid any confusion later on. Next, look towards the top left corner of the page where you will find the menu icon. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu. From there, you'll want to scroll down and select Settings and Help. This section is your go-to for managing account preferences and getting assistance if needed. After accessing the Settings and Help section, you'll see an option labeled View Subscriptions. Select this to continue. It is key to keep in mind that all your active subscriptions will be listed here, providing an overview of their renewal dates and any other pertinent details. This can be particularly useful if you're considering which subscriptions to keep or cancel. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of this page, where you'll see a settings icon once more. Clicking on this will bring up additional options. Look for one that says Cancel Membership. By selecting this option, you are beginning the process of terminating the subscription in question. At this point, the platform will usually prompt you to confirm the cancellation. This is simply a safeguard to ensure that your decision to cancel is intentional. Make sure to read any information that might pop up on your screen regarding the impact of the cancellation, such as loss of access to services or upcoming billing cycles. Once you're sure of your choice, go ahead and confirm the cancellation. And there you have it, the cancellation is complete. The subscription should now be marked as inactive, and you should also receive a confirmation email shortly thereafter. If you encounter any issues or don't receive confirmation, I'd recommend checking your spam or junk mail folders first. And as with any online transactions, it's always a good idea to keep records of any confirmation emails or notices in case you need to reference them later. Thank you for following along with this tutorial on canceling subscriptions on Google VO3. I hope you found this guide helpful, and feel free to reach out if you have any more questions or need further assistance. Until next time, take care.